Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise what you do with your time. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. There's no time for procrastination. Life is too short to procrastinate. Use these tips to help you get out of a slump. Know your why. Even the most basic task needs a reason behind it, or it's unlikely to be accomplished. If you're having a hard time motivating yourself to take out the garbage, take a moment and think about reasons why the garbage needs to go out, like it's more hygienic to remove trash properly. No trash means no trash-related odours. If you take it out routinely, the garbage won't get all the way to the top of the bin and start overflowing. It's easy to take out in the first place. Know how you are motivated. What keeps you motivated? The answer is different for everyone. Maybe you like checking something off a list. Maybe a gold star on your calendar makes chores fun. Talking about what you're trying to accomplish for someone else can be a great motivation too. Whatever motivates you, use it. In the bigger picture, it can be easy to procrastinate on a project when you're deep in the weeds. It often helps to zoom out your focus and look at the bigger picture. Think about how accomplishing a small task helps you reach your overall goals. Even something as simple as envisioning cooking in a clean kitchen can help push you to get the dishes done over and done with, and break it down. Every project has tasks that are less inviting to accomplish, so knock them out of the way first. And if you start with the hard stuff, the rest of the project is all downhill, and you're much more likely to finish. And if a task seems too huge, break it down into smaller pieces that you feel you can accomplish. When I help someone organise their home, I start working with them on one small area first, instead of trying to organise the whole house at once. Smaller tasks are easier to accomplish, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with them is just as motivating. Break a job into pieces so you can celebrate success more often. Don't give yourself any room for excuses. Including other people in your project is a great way to do that. Accountability partners help keep you on task. It's easy to tell yourself, I can do that later, when you're the only person involved. If someone is relying on you to finish part of a project, that external motivation can go a long way. Talk to your friends, family and co-workers about projects you're involved in, especially ones you're stuck on. What motivates you? Let me know in the comments below. I always love to hear. I always love new tips and tricks to increase productivity.